That's weird. See it back there? How the clouds, it's like real bad back here. We'll zoom back out. Because over here, there ain't much over there. It's just like a shelf cloud, like right there. Yeah. Hear a thunder? They got a special weather statement out, or special weather bulletin out about a thunderstorm. It's getting real windy now. Quick downpour probably. Pull that out. That zoomed out all the way. Yeah. You hear a thunder. Thunder, thunder, thunder. Cincinnati. June 30th, 2021. Thunderstorms rolling in. Special weather statement. Yeah. Thunder. The clouds are rolling in pretty quick. See that? Yeah. They're moving in. They're moving this way like a... Whoa, there goes lightning. Whoa.